Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Saturday, July 12th, and here we go again, a breaking headline on the Bloomberg this morning that Trump says the U.S. will impose a 30% tariff on the EU and Mexico next month, starting August 1st. So this follows the rhetoric this week coming out of Trump and his administration about a 35% tariff on Canada. You really need to look below the headlines here. So regardless of the silly tariff number that he really just pulls out of his buttocks, the U.S. and Mexico, as well as Canada, have a current trade agreement. Now it's going to be renegotiated, I believe, starting in May of 2026. So we're getting closer every day. But until that point in time, we have something known as the USMCA, the U.S., Mexico, Canada trade agreement. Now, this replaced NAFTA from years ago, and it's an agreement that Trump himself negotiated, claiming to be the best trade agreement ever in his first term. And he's now trying to get around that and trying to implement new tariffs to penalize his best and closest trading partners and largest trading partners. But this is all headlines, noise, and propaganda. There is little to no effect that these tariffs will have on the U.S. and Mexico. I can't speak at this point to Europe. I'm not as familiar with that trade agreement. But don't believe everything you read in the headlines. These headlines are geared towards the MAGA constituents who voted Trump in and want to see U.S. dominance at the expense of all other countries. Good luck in your trades this week. I think the futures are going to open up a little bit lower based on the noise, but earnings should be strong as we get into financial earnings, and I'm expecting we'll end the week on an up note. Good luck in your trades. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.